Hi, today I'll show you how to get this amazing new app to your Firestick, which you can use to watch live TV as well as live sports totally free of charge. And the very first step is you have to get the app called Downloader to your Firestick. You can get Downloader for free from the official Amazon App Store. Just go to search and start typing Downloader in here. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. Click on it, and here is the app, which you need to get to your device. But after you got Downloader, it's not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now, in order to actually set up Downloader, let's go to Settings by clicking that button with the gear icon, scroll down and open My Fire TV. So we open it, and from here you'll have to turn on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on the A/B debugging, then go to install known apps, and in here all you have to do is locate downloader, there it is, and turn that option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So now we go back to a list of apps on your device, open it up, and here is the downloader, which we got. But before actually using the loader, there is one more thing, which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Slovenia right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we go back to a list of apps on your device, let's open it, and it's time to finally start using the downloader. So open it up as well, and here in the search bar, you just have to enter a code, which is gonna be 302 and then 390. So again, 302 390, and click on go. Then while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Firesticks. Then this web page will open up and you have to click on download APK. So click on it, then an ad might pop up, you just close it down right here, and click on Download APK again. And now this web page will open and the download of the app should start automatically. If it doesn't start, just click on that Click Here button. And now the download of the app has started. It only took us a couple of seconds. Then click Install and wait a bit until the installation process is fully finished. After that, don't click on Open yet. Instead, it's better to press Done because this way you get the option to delete the installation files, which you don't need anymore on the Firestick device. So click on Delete and then delete once again. This way you will be able to save yourself some free space on your Firestick. And that's really important because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And then when you go back to a list of apps on the Fire TV, then here at the bottom you will finally see this new application which we just got. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the Options button on your remote. That's the button with three horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on Move to Front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore, it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.